Buddy, I'm here with Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. Okay, so we just wanted to say, and she has a little Easter rabbit that the Easter Bunny gave her yesterday, and we just want to say that we had a great time at Grandma's house yesterday, and tell them that Grandma loved you, right, Chloe? Grandma just thought she was absolutely adorable, and yeah, at first she thought she was like real. That's crazy. Um, but here she is, and with her little pacifier. And we had a great time, and I hope everybody had a nice, safe Easter yesterday. Like me and Chloe did, we had a great Easter with Nathan, which is my son, and he got a lot of Easter baskets. And Rose over here. Here is Rose, baby Rose, and she's so teeny. She feels so tiny compared to Chloe, because Chloe's like really big. She's a toddler. So, okay, just wanted to let everybody know we had a nice, safe Easter. Okay, bye.